In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can activate your PlayStation Network account as the primary account here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, make sure you're signed into the main PlayStation Network account that you want to set as the primary account. From here, go up to the top right corner of your home screen and select this little settings gear to open up your settings. Once you do that, go specifically into the users and accounts section and scroll down to the very bottom on this left hand sidebar until you see this other tab. Open it up and select console sharing and offline play. Now, if you see an option that says enable, go ahead and select it. If it already says disable for you, that means your account is already set as the primary account, so you don't need to do anything else. But once your PSN account is set as primary, you'll be able to share your games and PlayStation Plus with other people on the console, play your games even when you're offline. But overall, that is it. Your account is now going to be set as the primary account here on your PS5. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.